Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the Tulsi plant. This is a small aromatic shrub that grows up to 1 meter tall. This is also native to the Indian subcontinent. It is known for its strong fragrance and medicinal leaves. Do you know in Ayurvedic medicine, Tulsi is called the queen of herbs? This is because it has a wide range of health benefits. This plant also helps body to adapt to stress. Do you know this plant also has a religious and cultural significance? Yes, in Hindu culture, the Tulsi plant is worshipped daily. It is believed that this plant brings prosperity, health, and spiritual blessings. So, the Tulsi plant is not only a sacred symbol but also a natural medicine and environmental ally. Its importance spans health, religion, tradition, and science, making it one of the most valuable plants in the Indian culture and beyond. This plant is actually very easy to grow. And if you are a Hindu, you must have this plant in your house. Although this plant is very easy to grow, many people cannot maintain this plant. For some, this plant dies even before it is 1 year. But in our garden, there is one plant which stays year after year. So how do we take care of a Tulsi plant? As you already know, Tulsi is a leafy plant. So our main goal should be that the leaves are green and the plant is bushy. So the most important step that you can take is that make sure to remove all the seed pods of this plant. The seed pods of Tulsi have many benefits, but if you keep it in your plant, it may hamper the growth of the plant. That's why it is always advised to remove it. Do you know you can use these seed pods to make manure? If you want to know how you can make manure from the seed pods, then make sure to stay till the end of this video. Regularly trim the top leaves to promote bushy growth. Try to avoid overwatering. Try to avoid the harsh sunlight. As we worship this plant, we usually do not give eggshells or kitchen waste compost to this plant. So what kind of fertilizer should we give to this plant? I'm going to be giving you 2 such fertilizers which you can use on your Tulsi plant. I'll be also telling you a very special fertilizer. Do you know what that is? Yes, it is the Bioenzyme. Make sure that you dilute 5 to 10 ml of Bioenzyme in 1 liter of water. Then simply spray it on your plants. This liquid works like magic. This works as an insecticide, pesticide, and it also promotes growth. Now let me tell you 2 other manures that you can give to your plants. First is a leaf compost. Gather some dry leaves, flowers, etc. You can also add the seed pods of the Tulsi plant if you like. Add all of them in an earthen pot if you have. If not, you can put it in any other jar. You can add a little Bioenzyme if you like, but if not, make sure to just cover it up. Then keep it in a shaded area for 4 to 6 weeks before you can use it. This is the second liquid manure. Take some water in a jar and then add some tea leaves. Keep it in a shaded area for 2 to 5 days before you can give it to your plant. Make sure that you give it in really small amounts or just dilute it. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Just one more tip, as this is the monsoon season right now, make sure that you check your drainage holes. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.